The organization wants you up front and center, which means you have to get the big drum solo. And you're gonna do it with these specialized drumsticks.
Oh! Thank you, DC!
All right, everybody, get in formation. We're gonna start with the solo.
Wait. I can't find my sticks.
Why don't you use mine? You're taking everything else from me.
No, I have to use mine. Because that's gross. I mean, like, would you use somebody else's toothbrush?
Are you planning on putting them in your mouth?
Maybe. You don't know my routine.
Start us off. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Cassandra.
What? Does this group go with, like, prime numbers or something? If so, no problem. Okay. 2, 3, 5,
Would
7.
you please play?
Yeah, for sure. Gotcha. Here we go. Solo.
Maybe your drumming would sound better if you did put the sticks in your mouth.
Okay. Elliot, relax. It was just a warm-up. Just a little bit of a warm-up. Let's get into this. 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Come on, Captain! She's clearly choking. Give me back my solo!
You got it, Elliot. You can go now.
You two symbols? Thought we were friends.
For more like this, tune into Disney Channel. Meanwhile, click or tap to subscribe.